Video, we're going to show you how to do a D.I.Y race car track. So let's get into the video. You need a hot glue gun and you need cardboard. That's all. Yay! And you need cars.
I'm here too, so let's do this. So what you're going to do with that big fat butt is hot glue these pieces of hard cardboard together.
Well, some of it's paper.
Yeah, so let me grab your camera. Let me grab you. Okay. So, as you can see, Tanner is hot gluing it together.
Little mistake here though, but fix it.
That's kind of not good to do, Tanner. Now it's gonna have a bump.
No, this is the back side.
Oh yeah, this is the bottom side, so you flip it over.
Yeah, because so the other side's smooth.
See, I know. Look at these dance moves. Look at these waves.
Stop! You're missing the track up.
Say what you did, Kevin.
This is why
I didn't do this, Kevin. I didn't do it. There's JJ playing Mario. Hey JJ, in the fam, aren't you?
JJ don't care about the fam.
JJ's always. JJ's just so good at this. Watch him beat this level real quick. Why were you going backwards? Nice job, Jay. Nice time.
Let that dry for a second. Okay, can you go down there and move the track down some more? Actually, never mind, I got it.
Oh, did you say Mexico?
Mexico! Mexicans. They like to eat rice.
While Tanner's doing that, I'm just going to record JJ real quick. Okay, so he's going to get another piece.
And then after this piece, I'm going to see how long it is from the base.
We're going to have to put some sides on the track.
I know, the sides are going to be...
That's going to be cool, like cardboard fence on the side. That would be awesome.
We have to do that to prevent the things from flying off the track.
It's like cardboard fence. That would be sick.
There's going to be a cardboard fence in the center of it, too, so we can keep your lanes separate.
Yep. JJ has, like, the beast skills. Bye-bye. Bye, everyone. Oh, I think I should take that. My cousin Riley's really good at this game, too. Way gooder than me.
I don't know about that, JJ. You've been playing it a lot longer lately.
Yeah, you've been playing more Mario than he has.
He's been playing Zelda on the Nintendo Switch.
Yeah, Zelda. Riley.
I've been playing Zelda.
Somehow Riley got a Nintendo Switch. He got two. Uncle Taylor's selling one for $500. Yeah, but no one even knows that link is for the Wii U too. It is? Yeah. Oh. I told my granny to go buy that Wii game for me. I've been asking her, and she said maybe.
I've been playing the.
That's not thick enough.
I've been playing my Nintendo. The original Nintendo and the original game.
Later today, we might make a Nintendo original game video. See once he gets this glued together. While he's doing that, let's watch JJ. Oh, this. I remember. Zoom in.
Honey!
Yes, I got the star coin!
Honey, have I ever told you something? You're fat.
No!
That's why I threw you in the river when I first saw you. Between you and me, he's a bad child. That's why he's not mine.
I'm really good at Mario too. I'm probably about tied with Jay.
I'm better at Mario than you.
Well, Tanner, you always play. There we got the final star coin. The unlocked Bowser. Well, he has it glued.
Let's get that up. We got another piece, but I'm gonna
I
see
beat the
how long
level.
it is already.
Cheer for me. I beat the level. Yeah, Jay. I'm done. Oh, I want that. Did it say pizza go? Yeah, it did. First, we have to put on the. So, how are we gonna get this to stand?
I'm probably gonna have something else where I'm not gonna hot glue it to the ground. I'm not gonna do that. I'm probably gonna find something to hot glue it to.
I know.
Quinn, do you think that's long enough?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's long enough. So we're gonna put on the
We'll see you once we find. We'll see you when we put on the fences. And so, how is it going?
Yeah, pretty good.
So we got this.
The railing's pretty tough to put on. That's my challenge.
It's the only hot glue we have left, and the hot glue in the gun.
So I kind of gotta use what I got.
Yeah.
Mm.
Update over. And it's on.
Oh, this.
Look.
This
We have it all on finally. Here we go. We finally got it.
We finally got it, Quinn.
Tanner finally got it.
Time.
Tanner got it. It took us like 2 hours.
Enjoy ice.
I said it took you like 2 hours. I got my GoPro here. I love it.
So guys, here I'm gonna
Like
demonstrate how well it works. So watch. Oh, I just let it go badly.
Yeah, I know. Here, let's record. Get a good angle.
Give me a car.
You have one, don't you?
I do.
Luke Skywalker.
A trophy.
That's your
trophy, Kendall. I don't have a trophy.
That didn't work that good.
Is it a golden one? I don't have a trophy.
Still didn't work that good.
Where is it?
Try again.
Stop, JJ. Where is it?
Just ignore Kindle. Kindle, stop talking.
Where is it? Where is it?
That was the trophy. But yeah, it works well, guys. Watch.
Annoy Kindle.
There's a reason I'm the racer.
There's not. Wait. Ow!
Yep.
Kindle scratched me on my hair.
Stop, Kindle.
I just keep turning it on.
Watch.
She pushed my head down. I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell your dad. It's gonna fall sometimes when it hits on the impact because there's not much you can do for it. So guys, I hope you like this DIY and I hope you like our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Bye-bye.
I'm here too.